Horchata or chata. This is a classic Mexican beverage. I have 2 cups of rice, rinsed and drained. I'm adding 3 cinnamon sticks rather than ground cinnamon for more flavor. I'm adding half a cup of almonds, and I'm going to fill this up with water so that my rice can soak and everything can blend together and soften. I'm just going to stir this up, make sure everything is all mixed together. Then I'm going to set it to the side for about an hour just so the rice can soften. I'm going to put a towel over it so everything's secured. All right, the hour is up. Everything looks a little bit softer. I went ahead and strained and disposed of the water. All right, so now I'm going to add everything to the blender. The cinnamon, the rice, the almonds. I'm going to throw in a can of evaporated milk, and I'm going to blend this so that the mixture is as smooth as it can be. Look at that, it smells so good. All right, so now I have a strainer over a pitcher to strain out all the liquid. This is the mixture to prevent it from going inside. You can also use a cloth to drain out everything. Use a spatula to make sure we get all of it out. Now I'm adding 4 cups of whole milk for more creamier flavor, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, a cup of sugar, and I'm stirring it all up, and you can add more or less sugar. This is all based on preference. I'm adding 2 cups of water. I'm going to stir everything up to make sure that everything on the bottom is well stirred and blended and mixed together. And you can enjoy this immediately over ice, or you can put it in the fridge for a couple hours so that it's chilled. Either way, you want to drink horchata very cold. And this is how it looks, very creamy and yummy. It smells so good too. If you know me, I couldn't wait, so I served it over ice immediately and I enjoyed it. I'm gonna top it off with some cinnamon and just drink it up. And there you have it, horchata, a refreshing, classic Mexican beverage. Follow me on Instagram at Reese's Recipes for more easy, simple, and delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, friends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Many blessings.